Step into the realm of professional muscle relief with a massage gun designed to target fatigue and pain. Experience a comfort level like no other as you work through muscle groups and deep tissue. Unleash the athlete within with this unique handheld device. Dive deeper with 12 interchangeable heads, each crafted to target specific muscle groups for expedited recovery. With 7 speed levels reaching up to 3,200 revolutions per minute, finding your ideal amplitude of vibration is a breeze. This massager gun is powered by a 3,000 mAh lithium battery, promising 6 hours of continuous use via a brushless high-torque motor. Don't worry about the charging plug. A USB charging cable is all you need, making it suitable for any charging port. Experience tranquility with advanced noise reduction technology, ensuring noise levels won't exceed 40 decibels. Ergonomically designed, this device is easy to grasp and slip-resistant. It even auto-stops after 10 minutes of use, safeguarding your health and battery life. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a carrying case and user manual. A perfect gift for family and friends that also comes with a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock online support. This is not just a muscle massager, it's a game changer.